How to use the text-to-speech feature on a student Chromebook. Complete this video after you have enabled the Chromebook text-to-speech feature. Highlight the sentence, words, or group of sentences that you would like to be read aloud. To hear the selected words, press the Search and S key at the same time. Or you can also press and hold the Search key or tap the Select to Speech icon near your profile manager at the bottom of your screen. The Search key is located under the Tab key and just above the Shift key and looks like a magnifying glass.
I have feathers. I also have wings, but I don't fly. I love to swim in icy water. What am I? Penguin unselected. Flamingo selected. Bear unselected.